Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Brazil, so we'll be going through some country-specific information, such as compliance documents, medical checks, meal voucher, and health benefits. Compliance documents. Proof of address. Please submit proof of your residential address in Brazil, which contains your full name and the complete information of your address, including the SAP number. You should submit the pre-employment medical exam results after attending the appointment that will be scheduled by Deel. For documents issued by the government, please make sure to submit legible double-sided copies of the requested documents. New hire form. You will find a link to the form in the compliance documents section of the platform. Fill out the form with your dependents' data, if applicable, add your details, and sign under the designated field. The form is required to calculate our monthly income tax. Medical checks. Brazilian legislation requires all employees to undergo a medical examination before starting employment. Taking the medical check is mandatory, since employers are required to submit the exam results to Social Security. They will schedule the medical check with the closest partner clinic to your residential address within 2 business days after you upload your compliance documents to the platform. You will receive an email from us confirming the date and time of the appointment, and then an email from the partner clinic with instructions for the exam. You will receive the medical check result after attending the appointment. Please submit it to the compliance documents section on the platform. Meal voucher. You will receive a Flash Benefits meal and food card. The card, along with the activation instructions, is sent to your address within 10 calendar days of your start date. When you activate the card, the balance for the month you started will be available. The card is recharged on a monthly basis on the last business day of each month. Health insurance. Health insurance is an optional benefit. If the client has offered you health insurance, you will receive an email from our broker SIAT within 3 business days from your start date to initiate enrollment. Once the enrollment is completed, you will receive an email from Amil with instructions on how to set your access to their app. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you in your onboarding journey.